This poetry guide is designed to help students improve their reading comprehension skills through the analysis of Max Fatchen's children's couplet Dragon Dance. After completing this lesson, you will be able to explain how meaning is enhanced through choice of words and phrases. Identify key details from the text. Identify how language, structure, and presentation contribute to meaning. Make comparisons within the text. Evaluate how authors use language, considering the impact on the reader. Explain and justify inferences with evidence from the text. Let's start by knowing the poet and the background of the poem. Read the poem that describes the dance of the giant dragon at the dragon parade. It illustrates the huge head, exaggerated mask, and colorful decoration. Session 1 deals with poetry analysis. Infer the meaning of the words from the context of the poem. Identify the elements of poetry like message, tone, context, speaker, point of view, setting, form, and structure. Use the poetic elements that you have identified to write a critical appreciation of the poem. You can use the given sentence frame to guide you. Attempt these differentiated tasks to help you know author's intent in the poem. Try these questions to test your understanding of the poem, to develop your analytical and interpretive skills. Session 2 provides you with close reading techniques for analyzing poetic language. Identify the figures of speech, such as imagery, alliteration, onomatopoeia, sibilance, repetition, and explain how they are used in the poem. The celebration of the Chinese New Year, as portrayed in the poem, differs from the celebration of the calendar New Year. Compare and contrast the Chinese New Year with the calendar New Year. Answer the following questions to prompt yourself to recall information you have gathered from the poem. Use these inferential questions to draw conclusions or make predictions based on information that is not explicitly stated. Test your own understanding regarding the identification of the poetic devices employed in the poem. Session 3 starts with a task that encourages you to interpret the poem and paraphrase the poem's literal meaning. Take time to identify the elements of annotation, such as tone, context, perspective, point of view, theme, form, and structure. Use the identified elements of annotation to annotate the given lines. You can use the given sentence frame to guide you. Use these differentiated tasks to write a poem that can increase appreciation for poetry and literature. Use this plenary to provide an opportunity for yourself to recap your understanding of the poem. Before I conclude, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, John D'Souza, and to stay updated on my latest educational videos. To download the PowerPoint presentation of this resource, log into Teachers Pay Teachers and search for John D'Souza.